Happy New Year, my people, and this is the season of celebration. And on this first night of January, I decided to visit Benin City Mall. Such as you have expected, the place was alive, people everywhere, lights glowing and energy filling the air. From the children's play area to the cinemas, lounge, barbing salon, gadget shops and boutiques, there is something there for everyone, young and old. This is the beautiful night view of Benin City Mall, one of the places bringing the city together.